Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a little purple eyeshadow with my LA color palettes and my MAC makeup that I got. It's like pinkish, purplish kind of, the MAC colors. I did a video on Monday. If you want to check it out, hop on over there. I will try to link it down below. I'm not very good at that. So instead of starting with my base colors, I'm going to start with the bright colors and do everything opposite. So, and also thank you for subscribing and viewing. Today is a very special, hard day for my family. It is 1 year since my mom passed away, and so I'm really close to getting 10,000 views, and I wanted to surprise my dad with that, to give him something that him and I can be happy about. So please keep on viewing all of my videos, and I thank you very much for this opportunity. So for now, let's get started. I'm going to start with this LA color palette. It's kind of dirty, so I'm going to open it up and show you what all the purple. I won't be using all of them, but I just wanted to show you what they look like. So then I'm going to use my Perfect Eyeshadow Real Techniques by Sam and Nick brushes. They're crease brushes. I did a video on that yesterday if you want to hop on over there and check that out. It was my first time using them, and they were amazing, but that's beside this video. So it comes with two, and this one is for putting the eyeshadow on, and this one I accidentally put eyeshadow on. This one is curved at an angle, and so it's more for blending. So let's get started. I have never done this look. I have already put my foundation on. I didn't video it because my contour palette by Wet n Wild broke, and it like went everywhere, and I turned my skin orange like really bad, so I had to fix it. So it looks pretty good. So let's get started. I keep saying that, but I don't. So I'm going to take this really purple one and put it on my eye, just like that. See how purple it is? Then I'm gonna do it again. And one thing I learned, you can tap it like this if there's excess, and so that way you won't get too much on your eye. So I'm loving this brush duo. Okay, that is a very purple. So now I'm going to take this like lighter, a little bit lighter right here. I'm just going like that. Then I'm gonna tap it, get the excess off, and I'm just gonna go over like that, just like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. And do it like that. Sorry if I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. Now I'm going to take this lighter purple do the same thing. It's like very purple. I'm loving it, guys. Same thing. Sorry if you can't see that. Because I'm looking in the mirror. It is very hard to do your makeup in front of a mirror on camera. You always just want to look up. So now I'm going to take this lighter pink right here, the top. It's like a purple pinkish. And I'm just going to put it on my eye, just like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. Yeah, I'm really liking it. I've never done this look before. So now I am going to take this, lighter, darker, pinkish purple. Wipe off the excess. Go like that. Wow, it's like really purple. Do the same thing on this side. And do it like that. So now I'm going to take this little LA Color purple palette, and I am going to use this like pinkish fuchsia color. See how pink it is? I'm just gonna rub it in my eye. Okay. Do it again. And there we go. Now I'm going to use this purple one right here. Like a really dark, really light neon purple, I would say. Do it again. And then I think that's it for that part. So now I am going to move on to the MAC. So that is the next slide. Okay, so I'm back. So this is my MAC palette. I've used it before in previous videos. I love MAC. Like, they are so well put together, and I mean, I just love it. There's another color that I'm waiting for, and it's out of stock because they had a sale last weekend or last week through the Father's Day weekend, and everything in the store was 20% off. But if you're there's different levels of MAC online, you would get 25% off. So, and I only got 20% off, but to get the 25% off, you have to spend $150. So I'm opening it up to show you the colors. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them because this is so bright already, but I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. Before I start on the MAC, hold the phone. So, I forgot to just take my blending brush, and this has an angle, and I put no shadow on it this time, and I'm blending it out so it's not so bright. So, that looks like way better. So now, I'm going to tap my brush, make sure that there's like all the eyeshadow is out. So then I'm going to take this pink one right here. I think it's called Pink Venus, or I don't remember. Pink, I'm pretty sure it's Pink Venus. So, but don't quote me on that. So I'm just gonna take my brush. I didn't tap it out this time, forgot. So you might want to do that. So, wow, it is very pretty. So now I'm going to take, I really want to try this color over it. This is Cherry Top Fuchsia Pink. See how pink it is, guys? Like, I like that. I'm just gonna go over. Wow, it like makes it like vibrant and pop. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. Do it again on this side. Wow, it's very, very pinkish purple, neon purple pink, I would say. So now I'm going to take this one. I'm actually using all three colors. This is a darker fuchsia pink, but I don't remember the name of it. You can probably go to Mac's website and find it, or go in the store and find it. So, wow, that is very, very pink. So now I'm going to put that away, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Nude palette. Well, palette, I guess. I don't know the name of it. I keep forgetting to blend the colors out with the other dual brush by row technique. It kind of makes it softer. So I'm going to take this, my other brush, tap it out, just like that. And then take this beige color, like I always do. Tap it, because there's a lot on there. And go just like that over it. And then do the same thing. Go like that. So now I'm going to do this tan one up here. I'm not going to do the darker brown because I don't know how that would be. Tap it and put it on the brush. Do the same thing on the side. So now I am going to put my mascara on, if I can find it, and come back with the end result. So I decided to show you how I put my mascara on with this look. I've never done this look before. It's the first time. You're seeing it for the first time, like I said. So I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Classic mascara. I picked it up at Target for like $4 and some odd cents. So it's pretty cheap there. And also you can find it at Walmart too, and grocery stores. But yesterday I went to a grocery store and it was like $2 or $3 more than Target. So I advise you, if you have a Target around you, go there and pick it up. So I unscrewed it like this, and I'm pulling it out, wiping the excess off so it doesn't clump up. Then I'm just going like this over. So I kind of got a little bit of eyeshadow down there on the bottom, but I will come back and show you at the very end how to fix that. So I think I need to buy new mascara, and I did. I just remembered that and started using that one because this one is clumping up. So there you have it. That's how I did the mascara part. Now I will come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the MAC LA Wet n Wild look. This is very pretty. I did put my hair extensions in and I changed my outfit. So, and the red shirt from Old Navy, I got it a couple months ago back. It really makes it pop. So if you like this eyeshadow look, please give this video a like and comment down below. Please also don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.